In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in WPS Office. If you're preparing a document for printing, sharing, or formatting, changing the page size is an important step. The good news is that WPS Office makes this very simple, and you can switch between standard paper sizes or even create a custom one in just a few clicks. To begin, open your WPS file. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to adjust the page size. This is important because the changes you make will apply to the document you currently have open. Once your file is open, go to the top of the window and click the Page Layout tab. This section contains the main tools related to how your document is arranged on the page, including margins, orientation, and paper settings. If you don't immediately see the exact option mentioned, don't worry, because the layout of WPS Office can vary slightly depending on the version you're using. Next, look for the size option. In some versions, this may appear as paper or page size, but it serves the same purpose. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of available paper sizes. From here, choose the size you want for your document. You'll typically see common options such as A3, A4, A5, letter, and legal. Take a moment to browse through the list and select the one that matches your needs. For example, A4 is commonly used for general documents in many countries, while letter is a standard choice in others. Choosing the correct size can help your document display properly and print without unexpected formatting issues. If the size you need is not listed, you can create a custom page size. To do that, select More Paper Sizes or Custom Page Size, depending on what your version shows. This will open a dialog box where you can manually enter the width and height you want. Be careful to enter the correct measurements and pay attention to the unit being used, such as inches or centimeters, so your final layout turns out exactly as expected. After entering your custom dimensions, confirm the changes in the dialog box. Your document will then update to reflect the new page size. And that's it. That's how you change page size in WPS Office, whether you're choosing a standard format or setting up a custom one.